Christmas tree na be. This is outside, nighttime. This is the Sky Plaza, the right side, remember? And this is the building we will always take a video. We will go to the Filipina buffet. It's just once a month that she does this be. So, let's go. I hope hindi siya crowded. Okay? Be, nandito tayo ngayon nakapark. Kailangan natin pumunta dyan kay Ate Pinay Izakaya. She has buffet, Philippine buffet. Let's go. It's the place. We will still walk and find it. So, these are some houses, some companies. Galing, no? Saan kaya yung bahay niya, be? Ito siya. Ayan. It's just sometimes that we go here. There's a place here where there are just houses and mountains, like in Baguio. We were driving but it was full. My phone is so full, so I wasn't able to take a video of that one. Ayan. Ang ganda niya, be, oh. Para siyang city, no? Pero hindi, probinsya to, be. Medyo buti alive tong place na to. Hi, Hana! Maraming Pinay siguro doon. Park. Ayan, may park. Be, oh. Ang layo pala, be. Grabe. Sana nagsasakyan na lang tayo. Ito yung mga ano nila. Oh, wait lang. Pakita ko to sa inyo. May ganito din pala dito. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko alam kung ano yan eh. Kaso bar yun, be. Hala, sige, lakad. Kung saan na tayo napunta. Dito na pala, nalagpasan na natin, be. Philippine flag. Take a video kanina, dito na pala, be. Okay. Ay, tayo Philippine flag. Kita ka agad natin. Alright. Yun, may Philippine flag siya. Huh? Kain tayo, mga be. Ano ba to? Igado? Yan. Anniversary niya, be. Kare sila, be. Tagal na natin din kare-kare. Hana. Ayan, ito yung store ni ate. Punta kayo dito, mga be.
Sunglass.
Ni ate, oh, ayan. Wala, ang dami ko ng friends dito, be. Siguro mga 4 or 5. Bago lang ako dito din. Ayan yung ano ni ate. Meron siya din, crispy pata, at saka lechon kawali, at saka lumpia. Tapos meron siyang sinigang na salmon. Pinost niya sa Facebook. Yan, para alam ng mga kalahi natin.
Are there slots for you there?
Like, there's only like 19. Me, 22 and a half.
Oh, so okay.
Natin to be ng video kasi nandito yung store ni ate. Yan, ayan, yan. Yung katabi ng red. So dito, tapos yun yung sa kanya. Kasi baka mawala tayo next time pag vlog tayo. Ayan. Pala siya, be. So malapit siya dito sa store na to, tsaka sa 7-Eleven. Nandun pala yun. Tapos ayun yung Sky Plaza, be. Ayan. Sky Plaza doon. Dito pala yung store ni ate. Hindi na tayo mawawala. Bibili daw sila. Dito tayo sa kalsada. Sa kalsada. Bibili daw yung dalawang kids. Si Hana nagising. Hana woke up. He went back here again. Ang bango, be. Hi! Ang tagal na nakabalik dito. Siguro mga 3 weeks bago nakabalik dito, be. Kasi puro grocery stores. Like Hana. Hindi siya masyadong kumain, be. Pagdating sa Pinas, pakainin natin to ng Jollibee. Kasi parang pag dinala siya sa parang eat all you can na Barrio Fiesta o kaya Philippine, hindi nila kilala, be. So, Jollibee siguro makakain ni Hana tsaka ni Hadasa. si Hana, pero ito mukhang masarap, be. Oh. Hindi ko pa to natitikman. Ito pa lang natitikman namin. So, ito kukunin ko. I will try this, Hana, oh. Do you like strawberry? You always like strawberry, right? Kunin ko siya mamaya pag magbabayad na tayo. Pare. Hi, breads!
I always choose the same ice cream.
Oh, you have to try the other ones, you know, so that you can enjoy. Ang lasa. Kuhaan ko muna video habang pumipili sila, be. Ikot tayo. These ones are, I don't know, what's that, be? Forgot. Yan, mga ano yan? Hindi ko alam din. Noodles. Ito, ramen. Okay. Uy, my favorite here, the one that I've tried. The other ones I haven't tried yet. Wala, hindi ko makita yung favorite ko, be. Wala dito, be. Ito lang, ito. Ito nakain niya na kids. Mga drinks, they have drinks. They have, I haven't seen the other one. Ah, yeah, you can make a shake. See, you can make fruit shake. Fresh. And then these are their food. Packed food. Ayan siya. Tingnan natin. How to make this, sir? How to make it? Where's the machine? Said they have machine. Ano ba to? Pineapple and mango. Uy, ang sarap. Das berries. Anti-cancer. Ano kaya itong white? I don't know what's the white, be. Yogurt. O sige, we'll just have this. Ano to? Strawberry, blueberry, banana, yogurt. Mango, pineapple. Ito na lang. Let's try. They said you can make your own, right? Let's close the fridge. You can make your own shake. Hot food. Your udeng. Hot ones. Iba-iba siya, be. Machine, when you pay, and then you'll have the receipt. Hana already got it. Oh, they have a machine. Sigarilyo, be. Ay, akala ko dyan. Ito pala. Oh. We'll just look first how to do it. Oh, he removed it. Put it inside. Oh, you have to put it inside. Oh, wait. Oh, the first one is throw here.
Ah, yes. 箱ここにやって開けて
Yeah, you remove the cover.
で
Okay.
OK ボタンタッチ
Ah, okay. Thank you.
で
Ano yun, be?
そろ
Oh, straw. Thank you so much. Bait niya, no? Yeah, you can make your own smoothie. Hi. Have you seen it? It's mixing. They have this there. What's this? Coffee. Oh, my coffee. Ang sarap. 10 yen lang? Paano kaya yan, no? Hindi ako marunong din. Ang dami kong hindi alam dito. Oh, wow! It's ready! Yum! How to open it? Hindi natin alam. Paano ba ito? Diyos ko. Ayan. Be careful! Oh my God! Oh my God! Wait lang. Cover. Tapos na pala yun. Kinabahan ako. Akala ko hindi ba tapos? Bakit? Naingin na. Alright. So we cover it first so that it's very, very protected.